I used to pray. Really, I did. The first year at the hutch, when I loved you, that we'd have children. I said this only at first, really. This could be saved with a child. The combination, half you, half me. And I pictured him. Sometimes a boy, sometimes a girl. He was light as you sometimes, and dark as me, with all sorts of funny hair problem I had to contend with. And he was the reason. He was what it all meant. And sometimes he was cinnamon. And when he was, he smelled of cinnamon when I hugged him. And he was equal parts you and me. And that's why I loved him and wanted him. And now the thought of that child curdles me. Because if a son existed now, I'd bash his brains against the goddamned radiator. You used to be, and all the while I was saying, make this white flesh melt into this black. And something new. I'll never think of you after this, except to thank God in His wisdom for saving me from killing my child. I want a child now, yes, more than ever. And by God, I'll have one with a man, a black man like me. And my son will be so black, he's blue.